Train at Battambang. Yeah, it's apparently closed, but they've built the road through the middle of the track and they've took the track out. So they've called it closed, but we've just kind of come this way down and we're on the old track. Oh, hello. Tanya's taking a nice photo of me. So it's quite cool. Just got a little engine, little bamboo platform. They call it a nori apparently. It's quite loud. That's always encouraging that they're fixing the track as we're actually going down it. No, I think they're putting it together. I think they're making a new one. I don't know what they're doing. Maybe they're putting the new track to stay. Yeah, I think they're putting the new track together because obviously it's quite a big tourist attraction. So if we, you know, if they close the bamboo railway, people won't want to come to Battambang anymore. So it's a bit of a loss for them. It's quite scary actually. Tanya's quite scared. Apparently there used to be over 1,000 of these little noris running down the tracks around Battambang at the end of the Khmer Rouge in the mid-80s. They were very popular as a way of getting around and a very practical solution to transporting goods and people around a country whose infrastructure was pretty much in tatters. It was non-existent, and of course the old railway lines, although there was no locomotives working or carriages or any official trains, so typical Cambodian ingenuity sorted that out pretty sharp with a little couple of little axles and a nori, and originally they were punted along with sticks, much like a gondola, or if you've been punting in England, in Cambridge, in the river in Cambridge or something. Yeah. But then of course when things changed slightly, they then decided to put a little engine on it, and it's just a simple 2 pulleys and a V-belt, and I'm really hoping that they've got some kind of brake on it. So I'm hoping they've got some kind of brake on it. I think they probably have. You can see here, I think they've set up another little station here. I haven't been to the original one. It was quite a big station apparently, and apparently it's closed. So yeah, we've kind of hopped on here. It was $5 each for the nerve-wracking experience of yeah, the bamboo railway. There we go. What fun. Ah, good. Here's people walking the other way down the track. Beep, beep. Go on out of the way. Oh, he's got his tiffin tin there. Oh, he's just nipped down here for some lunch. Oh, he's getting a bit carried away now. He's going a bit faster. Right, that'll do.